This is the Bosch CS10 7¼ circular saw. This circ saw will let you power through wood, OSB, or composite. If you're a framer, roofer, or deck builder, this is a great tool to have on the job. This tool was built with durability in mind. The depth bracket and footplate are constructed with high-strength materials so that you have years of easy depth adjustment and durability. The adjustable bevel and depth levers provide consistent locking and greater accuracy to ensure your cuts are always spot on. Weighing in at just 9.8 pounds with a 15-amp motor, the CS10 can power through most materials. Vents near the bevel clear dust from your work area, giving you an unmatched line of sight so you stay consistent with your cuts. The 10-foot long cord lets you work up high without grabbing extra extensions, and the CS10 features a rafter hook for easy storage between cuts. Easily access the brushes using the removable end cap so you can do quick service and get right back to work. So this is it, the Bosch CS10 7¼ circular saw. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch circ saws.